You know what, quite often these are easier than they look. And once you know what it is, you think, oh, that was easy. But of course, if you don't know what it is, they're not easy. Right, let's have a look. Now, what happened with me was my printout didn't have these arrows. So therefore, it was definitely impossible. And I spent a long time going, oh, don't give up, just keep trying. Never mind. So let's grab our pen. And, well, I've got our pointy pen. Now, so you can do lots of counting. But should we do some counting? I think counting's the way forward. So we've got 3 and 4, 8 and 4, 8 and 6, 3 and 6, and 3 and 5. If you add them all up, it doesn't make any difference, trust me. So, notice the arrow points to the smaller one, to the smaller one, to the smaller one, to the smaller one, except here. Now let's go for 6. We have 2 dots. Let's get my big dot. 2 dots, 2 dots, 2 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots, so it's not that. Milk, white chocolate, 2 white chocolate, dark milk, white chocolate. Yeah, no, the chocolate things aren't going to do it. It is as simple as we have a square and a square, square and a square, square and a square, square and a triangle, and then a square and a square. So D is the odd one out. Now, this is one where there are 2 different ways of doing it, and we still end up with the same answer, which is always a fun way of doing it. So the first thing to note is, let's have a look. Can you see we've got big, big, little, big and a little, big and a little, big and a little, but in E they are all the same size. So that was my reason for finding them E, the odd one out. But there's also another way. You could say that's got 3 squares. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are all prime numbers except 9, which isn't a prime number. I think that's a bit of a... Don't like that, but we don't have to like it, do we? No, so let's see you in a minute.